I'll demonstrate in this video how to turn off Microsoft Edge's autoplay video feature on Windows 11. Launch Microsoft Edge and navigate to the three parallel dots, Settings and More, on the extreme upper right side of the screen. Select Settings from the context menu. In the Settings window on the left side of the pane, click on Cookies and Site Permissions. Now, go to the right side of the window, scroll down towards the end, and click on the Media Autoplay option. Next, in the Media Autoplay settings screen, on the right side, go to the Control if audio and video play automatically on Sites field. Here, click on the drop-down next to it and select Limit. Now, close the settings window and browse through the websites, and you should not hear any sound from the videos that play automatically. Open the Edge browser, and in a new tab, type the below path in the address bar and hit Enter. Edge Bot Flags. This will take you to the Experiments window, where you can search for flags based on your requirement. Next, type Autoplay in the search box to look for the flag. In the results, you will now see the option Show Block option in Autoplay settings under the available column. Here, from the drop-down next to it, select Enabled. Now, click on the Restart button in blue at the bottom right side of the screen to relaunch the Microsoft Edge browser. As the Edge browser opens again, click on Settings and More, three horizontal dots, located at the top right corner of the browser screen. Next, click on the Settings option in the menu. Now again navigate to the left side of the pane and select Cookies and Site Permissions. Next, travel to the right side of the screen, and under the Site Permissions section, scroll towards the All Permissions field. Here, scroll down and further, and click on the Media Autoplay option. In the next window, on the right side of the pane, under the Site Permissions, Media Autoplay section, click on the drop-down next to the Control if audio and video play automatically on Sites option and set it to block. Now, exit the Settings app and open a website, and Edge would not automatically play videos and audio as you browse. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.